welcome to the final unit of this model. And the final unit is Unit 6. And in this unit, we will be looking at curriculum change and innovation. And in the first session of this unit, we'll be looking at definition of curriculum change and curriculum innovation. Patrick Ejay is my name. Now, by the end of this session, you should be able to define curriculum change, define curriculum innovation, and state the difference between curriculum change and curriculum innovation. Now, we know that change always occurs to reflect the needs and aspirations of a society. So, anytime there is change, change will occur to meet the current needs of a society, to meet the current aspirations of the society. And for that reason, there cannot be a single curriculum for the society with changing times. So, as time continues to change, it also means that the curriculum that we use will get to a time that we will also have to change it in order to meet the current needs of the society. So, curriculum change. Now, the word change means making or becoming different, or an alteration or a modification. So, whenever we say change, change can mean to make something become different, to make an alteration, to modify. All talks about change. And we can define change as embracing curriculum innovation. Change can also mean to be a development, renewal, and an improvement. And so curriculum change can be defined as an effort made by educational authorities to adapt and change the aims and objectives of teaching and learning according to the values, culture, philosophy, as well as resources at their disposal. So anytime we are changing the curriculum, anytime there is a change in the curriculum, then this change is made in such a way that it will meet the objectives of teaching and learning. Because we know that anytime a learner goes through a set of instruction, there must be a change in his or her behavior. And so once there is a change in the curriculum, then this new change must bring out the desired learning outcomes that must be seen in the learner. So curriculum change can also be defined as making the curriculum different to give it a new position. So a curriculum that was designed, let's say, some 20 years ago, you realize that that curriculum, the needs of the society that was factored into designing such a curriculum may not be the same as the needs that the society will need today. And so we can modify the curriculum in order to meet the needs of the society today. And so changes are both inevitable and necessary. One thing is that we cannot avoid change. So far as there is always a change in the way we do things, we live in a dynamic world where things continue to change. It means that we cannot escape changes. And so changes are bound to happen. And anytime changes come, it brings about improvement in society. It brings about improvement in various institutions. And curriculum change is also a response to change in the socio-economic and technological aspects of a society. So we now look at the demands of the various sectors of the economy. Which caliber of personnel are the industries looking out for? What attitude and skills must our learners portray after going through a set of instruction? You realize that we must design the curriculum in such a way that it will meet the current needs, the current demands of society. And also you realize that there is a change in technology. Technology has brought about a whole lot of changes the way in which we work. Now, previously, you realize that in our teaching and learning, most of our teaching learning resources could be tangible objects. But now, a teacher can go to the classroom with technology. The teacher can use videos, the teacher can use simulations to illustrate some of the concepts that he or she may want to present to the learners. And so, this change in technology will also influence the curriculum, and the curriculum must then be changed in order to meet the current trends in teaching and learning. Now let's look at curriculum innovation. And the word innovate means to bring in new ideas or new methods. It means coming out with new ways of doing things. And so curriculum innovation refers to ideas or the practices that are new and different from those that exist in the formal prescribed curriculum. And it is any improvement that is deliberate, measurable, durable, and unlikely to occur frequently. So you realize that when it comes to innovation, it is deliberate. It means we plan innovation. We plan the new ideas we want to bring on board in order to make the teaching and learning process more smooth and effective. And so in curriculum innovation, human and material resources are created, they are selected, organized, and used in such a way that higher achievement of curriculum goals and objectives are attained. So as a teacher, anytime you want to bring out an innovation, you can look out for the various content in the curriculum. You find out new ways of going about this same content in order to enhance teaching and learning of the various concepts. Now, what is the difference between curriculum change and innovation? What is the difference between curriculum change and curriculum innovation? So we saw that change may occur in response to external events. However, curriculum innovation is always planned. So the changes in the socio-economic status of the country, new advances in technology are likely to bring out a change. But when it comes to innovation, they are always planned, they are always organized in order to enhance teaching and learning. And so we say for any curriculum innovation to be meaningful and effective, it must be planned and organized. It means that when there is a new way of doing things, but this new way of doing a thing is not planned, it is not organized, you may try to incorporate or integrate it into the teaching and learning. And by the time you realize, you'll find out that although the new idea was good, but it was not meaningful, it could not enhance the teaching learning process. Now, students, we have looked at the definitions of curriculum change and curriculum innovation, and we saw the difference between these two concepts. We saw that change comes as a result of response to external events, but curriculum innovation is always planned and organized. Now, students, as we bring the session to an end, what is the difference between curriculum change and curriculum innovation? Thank you for joining this session and see you in the next session. Bye.